Searching for the best bench vise feels like wandering through a hardware store where everything looks the same. Same 360-degree swivel, same heavy-duty claims, same stock photos. But the real difference isn't in the pictures. It's in how they actually perform when you're mid-project and need something that won't slip, bend, or break. Product number 1, VEVOR 6-inch heavy-duty vise. First up is the VEVOR 6-inch bench vise. This thing caught my eye because it's built like a tank, 25 pounds of ductile iron with a powder-coated finish that actually resists rust. At $79.82, it's mid-range, but the 6-inch jaw width and 5.9-inch opening mean you can clamp down on larger workpieces without straining. Here's why this matters for you. If you're doing pipe cutting, drilling, or metalwork, the 4,496 SI tensile strength and replaceable serrated jaws mean zero slippage. It even comes with bolts, nuts, and magnetic jaw pads, so no running back to the hardware store mid-install. Now, some people complained about the weight making it hard to reposition once mounted. Here's the thing though, this isn't a vise you move around. It's meant to stay put and take abuse. If you want a no-nonsense workhorse that won't flinch under pressure, this is worth a serious look. Skip this one if you need something portable or for light crafts, but for garage mechanics or DIYers doing real metalwork, this is a solid value. Product number 2, Stanley MaxSteel Hobby Vise. Now, if the VEVOR felt too industrial, this Stanley Hobby Vise is a completely different animal. At just 3.3 pounds and $60.90, it's built for detail work, think electronics, model building, or jewelry repair. The patented ball joint lets you rotate your workpiece a full 360 degrees and lock it at any angle, which is huge when you're soldering or engraving tiny parts. The removable rubber jaw covers protect delicate finishes, so you won't scratch that vintage watch or circuit board. Here's why this matters. Precision tasks demand stability without crushing your material. This vise gives you both. It's not going to handle a steel pipe, but for fine control, it's unmatched. Now, some users said the locking mechanism can loosen over time with heavy use. Here's the thing, this isn't built for pounding. It's for careful, controlled work. If you're a hobbyist or tinkerer who values flexibility over brute strength, this is perfect. But if you're cutting metal or need serious clamping force, look elsewhere. For delicate projects, though, this is a steal. Product number 3, Work IQ 360 degrees articulating vise. Alright, that Stanley was great for small stuff. But the next one, this Work IQ vise at $355.29 is in another league. Made from hardened steel and cast aluminum, it weighs only 10 pounds but delivers up to 130 ft-pounds of torque resistance. Here's why this matters. Whether you're carving wood, bending pipe, or doing intricate repairs, you get perfect ergonomics without readjusting the whole setup. The double-sided jaws, one side rubber-grooved for pipes, the other textured for flat stock, mean no swapping parts. Plus, it's compatible with IQ Connect accessories like a work light or phone holder. Now, some people complained about the price. And yeah, it's steep. But here's the thing, this isn't just a vise, it's a modular workstation. If you're a serious woodworker, machinist, or DIY pro who wants one tool that does everything, this justifies the cost. Skip it if you're on a tight budget or only do occasional projects. But for versatility and precision, this is the real deal. Product number 4, VEVOR 6.5-inch Pro Vise. Now, if the first VEVOR was good, this upgraded 6.5-inch version takes it further. At $99.52, it's still affordable for what it offers: 27 pounds of ductile iron, a massive 6.5-inch forward jaw opening, and a reverse opening of 9.3 inches. That reverse feature, huge for holding long pipes or awkward shapes you can't fit in a standard vise. The 360-degree swivel base and 4,496 pounds of clamping force make it ideal for heavy drilling, cutting, or fabrication. Here's why this matters. If you're working with longer materials or need extra reach, most vises force you to improvise. This one actually solves that. It also includes the same rust-proof coating and bolt kit for easy mounting. Now, some users said the size makes it overkill for small benches. But if you've got the room and need serious holding power, this is a beast. Perfect for home workshops or light industrial use. Just don't buy it if you're doing light crafts or have limited space. Product number 5. VEVOR 4.5-inch Compact Vise. Finally, if the others felt too big, this VEVOR 4.5-inch vise at $39.32 is a budget-friendly compact option. At 10 pounds and made from cast iron with a powder coat, it's not as strong as its bigger siblings, but it still delivers solid clamping force for lighter tasks. Here's why this matters. If you're a weekend warrior or just need a vise for occasional repairs, this avoids the overkill of heavier models. It's easy to install, comes with all hardware, and won't break the bank. Now, some people complained about the limited jaw opening and weaker grip on thick materials. Here's the thing, this isn't for heavy metalwork. But for woodworking, light drilling, or household fixes, it's more than enough. Perfect for casual users or small garages. Skip it if you're doing frequent or heavy-duty work, but for the price, it's a no-brainer. So which bench vise is right for you? The VEVOR 6-inch is the all-around workhorse. The Stanley is perfect for delicate hobby work. The Work IQ is the premium modular king. The VEVOR 6.5-inch handles big jobs with ease, and the 4.5-inch VEVOR is ideal for light, budget-friendly use. No single vise does it all, but one of these definitely fits your shop.